Meaning of dunno.
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 Dunno. Dunno is a contraction of don't know. It is often used as a casual or informal expression to indicate uncertainty or lack of knowledge about something. The term originated in British English and has become popularized in other English-speaking countries. It can be used in many contexts, such as when someone is asked a question they can't answer, or when expressing a lack of interest in a topic. Overall, dunno is a simple and commonly used expression that conveys a lack of knowledge or indifference.